Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, BuhayMother. And if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that if there's any new videos, you'll be notified straight away. Well, for today, I'll be showing you this Pinata. My daughter's birthday is coming up in a couple of days, so I've made her this Pinata, and I will be filling it with a lot of chocolates.
So the tools that you'll need are crepe paper, glue, pencil, scissors, sticky tape, fabric for the ribbon, and stuffing. Lastly, you'll need circle templates, small circle for the ears, big ears for the face, as well as cardboards. If it's going to be for kids, use thinner cardboard so that the kids can break the piñatas easily. To start the piñata, trace your big circle and make sure you make 2 circles for the front and the back face. Now for the 2 ears, make sure you trace 4 circles for the front and back. Cut out your circles, and as well as cut a strip of cardboard for the side of the ears and side of the face. To make it easier for the side cardboards to wrap around the circle, fold the edges, cut out V sections alongside the edges, and bend the side cardboard. Now you can wrap it around the circle. This is the trickiest part, so make sure you've got your sticky tape and your scissor handy. Leave a gap or hole between the side cardboards. This is where you'll be putting in the surprises, chocolates, or candies for your little ones. Now it's time to attach the small ears. For extra support for the ears, I've attached a strip of cardboard on each side. Now it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can use any materials here such as paper, strips of fabric or plastic. You can be as creative as you want. And just to let you know, you will need a lot of glue. This will take time sticking all those decorating it, but it's worth it. To make your ribbon, cut out a wide strip of fabric, place your filling in the middle, fold it like so, and tie a string in the middle, and there you go. You will need to hot glue or sew the ribbon's edges though, just to ensure nothing falls out. I've also added a piece of cardboard on the back of the ribbon just to stop it from sagging. To tie the ribbon onto the piñata, just make 2 holes on the piñata and tie the ribbon. For the number, just simply trace your number on the fabric, cut it out, and glue it on.
Hopefully you liked the video, and if you have any comments or questions at all, please don't forget to leave in the comment box. I would love to hear from you. And as well as if you made your own piñata, please don't forget to tag me, BuhayMother. I do have an Instagram as well. And it would be very nice to see your DIY piñatas. And see you next time. Thank you.